Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the past and revisiting one of the most iconic luxury sedans of the 1980s, the 1985 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL. This was the flagship of the W126 S-Class lineup, a car that redefined comfort, engineering, and understated prestige. Buckle up as we explore its timeless exterior, sumptuous interior, V8 performance, and what makes this classic still relevant today. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. Designed by Bruno Sacco, the W126 body is a masterclass in German engineering aesthetics, conservative yet commanding. The 500 SEL, with its extended wheelbase, measures over 5 meters long, giving rear passengers more legroom and enhancing road presence. Up front, you've got the signature Mercedes-Benz chrome grille, flanked by large rectangular headlights with integrated fog lamps. No flashy LEDs here, just pure 80s functionality. The bumpers are made of polyurethane, designed to absorb minor impacts without deformation, an innovation for its time. From the side, that long, formal silhouette is unmistakable. Chrome trim around the windows and body lines emphasizes elegance without being loud. At the rear, vertical tail lamps and a clean design complete the look, subtle, yet authoritative. Interior. Inside, the 500 SEL is all about luxury and craftsmanship. Step in, and you're greeted by plush leather upholstery, or velour, depending on the original spec, thick carpets, and solid wood trim. Every surface feels like it was built to last decades, and clearly, it has. The dashboard is clean and symmetrical. Analog gauges sit in a classic cluster, clear, precise, and no nonsense. Climate control, Becker radio, power windows, and even heated seats were standard or optional features depending on the market. In the rear, the SEL really shines. Thanks to the extended wheelbase, passengers get limousine-level space. This was a car built to be both driven and to be driven in, favored by diplomats, executives, and even heads of state. Performance. Under the hood lies a 5.0-liter V8 engine, the heart of the 500 SEL. It produces 231 horsepower and 299 Nm, 220 pound-feet, of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. By today's standards, the numbers might seem modest, but back in 1985, this was serious power for a luxury sedan. The M117 V8 engine is smooth, reliable, and delivers a refined growl under acceleration. It'll go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7.5 seconds, impressive for a nearly 2-ton car. On the road, the 500 SEL is quiet and composed. The suspension is soft enough to glide over imperfections but firm enough to maintain stability at autobahn speeds. Steering is precise, and the car remains planted at triple-digit speeds, where it's truly in its element. The 1985 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL is more than just a classic luxury sedan, it's a statement. A symbol of success, built with engineering integrity and a design language that's aged like fine wine. It represents an era when Mercedes built cars to outlast their owners. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the finer things in automotive history, the 500 SEL remains a worthy investment, not just in money, but in experience. It's a car that reminds us what true luxury once meant. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this classic car spotlight, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vintage reviews. Got a car you want us to feature next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep driving and keep dreaming.